How do we solve this exponential equation? So solution, we have 6 raised power s plus 9 raised power x. The one on the right side can be written as 2 raised power 2s times 2 raised power 1, which implies 6 raised power s plus 9 raised power x equals, this guy can be written as 2 squared into power of x times 2, which also implies that 6 raised power s plus 9 raised power s equals 2 squared is simply 4, so we have 4 raised power x times 2. Now let us divide both sides by 4 raised power s. Divided both sides by 4 raised power s, we have this guy cancel this guy, so we are left with 6 over 4 for 6 raised power s, 4 raised power s plus 9 raised power s over 4 raised power s, which is equals to 2. So now we can write this guy 6 over 4 as 6 over 4 times raised power s plus 9 over 4 everything raised power s by applying laws of indices, which is equivalent to 2. So now 6 over 4 is simply 3 over 2 raised power s, and 9 can be written as 3 squared, 4 as 2 squared, everything raised power x equals 2. So in this case, we have 3 over 2 raised power x. When we factor 2 out, we have 3 over 2 raised power 2x equals 2. So now we can also write it as 3 over 2 raised power x plus 3 over 2 raised power s, everything raised power 2. So which implies that 2 times x will give back to s, which is equivalent to 2. Now, suppose we let 3 over 2 raised power x to be equals p. This implies that we have p in place of this guy plus p squared, which is equals to 2. Which also implies that p squared plus p minus 2 equals 0 when this guy comes to the left side. So now we can now factorize this equation. Doing so, we have p squared plus 2p minus p minus 2 equals 0, which implies p into p plus 2 minus 1 into p plus 2 equals 0, because p times p is p squared, p times 2 we have 2p, minus 1 times p we have minus p, and minus 1 times 2 we have minus 2. So now, which implies that we have p plus 2 times p minus 1 equals 0, which implies that p equals to negative 2 or p equals 1. But this guy is negative, it will give a complex root, so we are going to consider p equals to 1. So when p equals 1, we have that 3 over 2 raised power s equals p. So we have 3 over 2 raised power s equals p. This value of p, 1. So now, we take the natural logarithm of both sides. So we have log 3 over 2 raised power s equals natural logarithm of 1. But we know that this guy can be written as s times log 3 over 2 using rules of logarithm. So we have log 1. Let me write the final conclusion here. So when we divide both sides by natural log of 3 over 2, we have s times the logarithm of 3 over 2 divided by log 3 over 2, which is equals to natural logarithm of 1 over natural logarithm of 3 over 2. So in this case, this guy goes, so we have s equals to, logarithm of 1 is simply 0, so we have 0 over log 3 over 2, which implies that x equals 0. So our value of s for this equation is simply s equals to 0. Thanks for watching.